The oldest relation man has established with nature is of food. Descending from the raw Stone Age to frozen foods, in an ever-expanding world of cuisines and varieties, quality food wins only when presented well. That is where we step in. From local village stores to mega malls, intelligent packing caters to all eyes, successfully conveys your message and makes a long-lasting mark. We at Balaji Multiflex Pvt Ltd specialize in flexible food packaging. With our foundation laid strongly in ethics and sustainability since 2002, we have had the pleasure of helping numerous local, national and international brands. Our infrastructure, spread in 3 lakh square feet area, is an immaculately curated blend of tech and sustainability, being the first in India to introduce and incorporate solvent recovery unit and rotograver technology with a capacity of printing 500 meters per minute. All our lamination machines are equipped with GSM measuring systems, maintaining the highest consistency and quality of our packaging material. The plant is currently equipped with 4 rotograver machines, 6 extrusion lamination machines, 4 blown film lines, out of which 1 is equipped with MDO setup, 10 solvent-less lamination machines, 5 non-turret slitters and 4 turret slitters. Our storage unit holds abundant capacities of raw materials such as 1800 tons of polyester, BOPP and CPP, 1200 tons of granules, 3000 tons of finished goods and 1000 tons of curing. Our originally curated analysis report and tailor-made solutions help in identifying your requirements for thickness and material. And our promising and on-time delivery ensures a satisfactory, attractive, coherent, durable and appealing packaging range. Utilizing solar energy and green energy, we take pride in being 100% green with zero volatile fumes released into the ecosystem. Double-checking consumer safety, none of our laminating rolls are slit until they are PAA neutral, thus eliminating the toxic trapped chemicals. We realize the joy and nourishment food brings and are committed to absolutely ethical handling that preserves its healthiness. Our thriving R&D lab with machines like WVTR and OTR leads our stride in adapting change and advancements. We love our team as much as we love our clients. Regularly upgraded safety measures, retreats, medical insurance and accident insurance help us handle our heroes and their families with care. Our founder and MD, Mr. Chandrakant Bhalara, believes and led by our director, Mr. Pranav Bhalara,
needs to give back as much love and assistance as the society gives us and much more.
As part of our social responsibility, we extend our warmth and support to various foundations for mentally challenged females and are constructing a lake to facilitate irrigation for farmers of neighboring villages. Expanding affordable creativity and quality, we plan on establishing more units in North India as part of our future vision. Additionally, we intend to incorporate a digital printing machine for smaller packaging requirements of startups and more. Balaji Multiflex Pvt Ltd envisions an attractive and ethical packaging revolution for its clients that help them build loyal audience base, experience large sales, and scale higher growth. We are a flexible food packaging solution that heralds advancement and quality while never betraying humanity. Your product is safe with us, and so is your image.